Hey guys, today I'm unboxing and reviewing this 68-inch splash pad sprinkler for kids. It's a inflatable water pad. It's for outdoor. It's BPA free, anti-slip. Comes with a connection for the hose. You screw this on the pad and then to your hose. Looks like a quick disconnect. Comes with a user guide and the warranty on it. Comes with like extra patches. Okay, so this is it right here. It's very big, it's large, round, 68 inches. Has nice designs on it, boats, planes, trains, submarine, ambulance, a helicopter. Nice designs for the kids. It's BPA free. It's made with durable PVC. It's nice for the summertime, so the kids can cool off with this fun splash pad. Have your own water park in your backyard with the family. It's like a wading pool. And like I said, it's made with anti-slip material. It's a nice splash pad, sprinkler pad, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of cold outside, springtime, but I'm gonna set it up and show you guys what it looks like and how the water sprinkles out from it. This is nice for the kids. You can put this in the backyard, the front yard, wherever, on the lawn. They can splash away. Material is strong. Okay guys, so I'm gonna hook it up to the hose. I have the hose over there. I'm gonna hook it up. Okay, so this is the connection here. It's a quick disconnect. You just press this in here, take this piece out, and then connect your hose to this end here. Okay guys, so if your connection don't fit in this part here, you can just screw this out and just put your regular this type in here, like screw this on just like this and put this up. Okay, so the only thing I don't like with this design, this part here is like close to the pad. They're supposed to have like a piece coming out, piece hose coming out here, like a softer material, because this is the hose and it goes like this, so when the kid's gonna jump on it, it's gonna be right here, so this piece they cannot jump on. Like, I think this is gonna go up like this, and they can break this or hurt them their tiny feet on this. Okay, so the water fills up the outer part. This is how it looks like. The water sprinkles like high up, probably more than like 10 feet high, as you can see. It's nice for the kids. Kind of like it. It's for like adults too. Hey guys, so you like this, give it a like, a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to see more videos, and I'll leave a link in the description where I bought it. And thanks for watching.